welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing kind of like a little night in my life video. I want to start doing more videos on my channel where I show you guys fun, unique little date ideas, whether it's a date by yourself, with your girlfriend, with your boyfriend, with just a friend. Today I have kind of a fun little evening planned with my boyfriend. We're just going to make some food here in my house. Actually, I take that back. He is going to make some food, and then I have made a reservation for us to pick up a picnic set at a nearby shop. In Korea, there are tons of little picnic rental shops, and we're just gonna take it to the beach and have a nice little evening picnic. The weather has been a lot nicer lately, so hopefully it's not too cold out this evening. I think right now is just a good time for me to start getting ready, because we all know sometimes girls can take a lot longer to get ready. I've been wearing a lot less makeup lately. I think that's just because as the summer season approaches, I just like to let my skin breathe. Side note, I got a couple new piercings on my ear. Do you guys like them? I got a cute little heart and like a purple stud. But yeah, we're gonna just do some skincare, and I'm so excited, you guys, because my beauty box with Soul Guide Medical is back in stock. If you are new around here, let me just give you guys a little background information on this. About a year ago, I collabed with a company here in Korea, and I had the chance to get you guys a kind of like a bundle of some of my top favorite skincare products for a huge discount. I know a lot of you guys are interested in trying like K-beauty products, but it can be really overwhelming because first of all, you don't always know where to get them, and second of all, sometimes you just don't know where to start. Even I really get overwhelmed like going into the shops here sometimes. So I'm really excited because this beauty box is almost the same as my first one, because I know a lot of you guys that got it, you had success with it, it's sold out. So thank you so much for helping me sell out the first one. It ships worldwide and the shipping is extremely fast. So when you order it, it should arrive to your house within like 3 business days, no more than 5 for sure. When you add up the value of all these products, it comes out to over $200, but the box is on sale for less than $100. And what's really cool is in the box you get a voucher for a free skincare consultation that you can do via Zoom with Soul Guide Medical. Also in the box is a free skincare treatment coupon. So if you come to Korea after COVID, that coupon will be valid and you can use that for a free treatment here in Korea. And I'm also excited because this round we're doing 2 things a little bit differently and better. So first of all, if you order your box within the first 48 hours of this video being up, they are also going to include a mini skincare bundle. So you're gonna get like a free gift. They're doing a little giveaway just for you guys within the first 48 hours. And then the second thing is there's also like additional add-ons available. So if you want to get maybe like 2 of these creams, or if you want to try out some of my other favorite products, they have those for options like to purchase if you want to. I'm gonna start using this stuff now. I've been rambling for a long time, but I just wanted to say, first of all, thank you so much for helping me sell out my first box with them. I was so just like shocked and really grateful. The second thing is I do make a commission on each box sold, but the reason I do this is not to make the money for me. It's because I want to give you guys the chance to get some of my favorite products for a discounted price. Like guys, like this is almost empty. I'm obsessed with all this stuff. And then the other thing is if you get your box, tag me on Instagram and I would love to talk to you guys about how the products are working out for you. So the first thing in my box is this. This is the Be Plain Purifying Moisturizing Cleansing Foam. This is the second one that I have used. I started using this, I guess you could say early last fall. So this is a pH balance cleansing foam. I already did cleanse my face with this, but this is such a good gentle cleanser. If you're looking for something really gentle, this is a good place to start, and you don't need much of this at all. You literally just need like a pea size, and because it's foaming, you can really just like emulsify it on your hands, and a little bit goes a long way. After I do my cleansing, the first thing I do is tone my face. So I'm gonna be using this. This is like my wonder product. I think I've used probably over 4 or 5 bottles of this now. So this is the One Thing Centella extract. This is becoming really popular in Korea, and you guys, I literally have like a droplet left of this. But in my box you also get a pack. Oops, picked up the wrong one. This is my empty one. But you also get a pack of these, which are the One Thing like face pads. So you can either pour this into here and the pads soak up the product, but the way I like to use it is I just like to take one of the pads out. So let me do that. I got a brand new box. I'm so excited because I finished my other one. Put it on here. I'm trying to use just a little bit because I'm almost out. I need to get some more. And I just tone my face, and this product alone helped so much. Also, if you're having an acne flare-up, I've noticed that when you apply this, it kind of helps speed up the recovery process because it kind of like dries out your acne in a way. But that being said, your skin doesn't feel dry after you use it, so I don't really know how it does both of those at the same time, but I love this stuff. And if you got my box the first round, you probably remember this because it was in that box. And also what was in my box was this, the Ester Action PDRN Ampoule. This will also be in my box because I know a lot of you guys really liked this. If you were to get this ampoule in a department store, it would be over $100 US, so it's definitely something that's kind of a little more high-end, which is why I'm so excited that I can give you guys a chance to get this for so cheap. This ampoule is so incredibly soft and silky on my skin. What's really cool is a lot of the skincare clinics in Korea actually use this specific ampoule after they do their treatments. So I've gotten a few aqua peels here in Korea, and I'll look over and I'll see this and I'm like, oh my goodness, I use this in my skincare routine. So yeah, Ester Action PDRN Ampoule. This is so incredibly silky. If you're looking to get into serums, this is a really good serum to start with because it's high quality. It'll kind of show you a good example of what a high quality serum feels like, so you can start kind of testing the waters with other serums. Okay, next step in my box of skincare routine is the Moisture Balm. So a year ago, I got introduced to this product and I've been using it non-stop since. So this is the Skin and Lab Barrier Derm Relief Balm. And this is actually one of my empties. I used up this whole one. I think I've used like 2 or 3 of these now. So I've recently moved on to this one. So this is a skincare balm, which I think some people are like, what's a skincare balm? It's essentially, for me, I use it the same way that I would use a moisturizer. It works the same way for me as a moisturizer, but it leaves my skin feeling way smoother than most moisturizers do. If you struggle with dry skin, this is going to be a really, really good product for you. This was another one of the products that a lot of you guys were like, oh my goodness, I love this, when you got my first box. So I'm really glad that you guys found as much success in this balm as I did. And then the last thing that comes in the box is a box of the Soul Guide Medical Elegance Sheet Mask. So Tony, the CEO of Soul Guide Medical, he actually curated these. 2 reasons why I love this mask so much, and it's always one of my go-tos. First is because the way it's designed is it fits any face. There's skin flaps, which means you can literally tighten it around each edge of your face, so it's good for all face types. The second thing is this comes with extra serum inside, so that after you apply your mask, you can pour the extra serum out and you can put it on your neck, you can put it on your chest, your arms, anywhere that you feel like you want to apply the serum. I know sheet masks are really fun to try out, but what a lot of people don't know is it's important to use high quality sheet masks because you're essentially just leaving a serum on your skin for 20 to 30 minutes and putting some kind of like really, really cheap, like 50-cent sheet mask, that comes down to it, like it's not actually really good for your skin, putting a really low quality sheet mask on your skin for that long. So what's nice is these are made with really high quality products. If you buy the box by itself, I don't think it's very cheap. I want to say it's a $50 box of sheet masks or somewhere around that. So if you're looking to try out some high quality sheet masks, you will get a nice big box of those in my box. All right, so skincare is done. It's just crazy because 16 months ago, I would have never showed my bare skin on camera. And I mean, my skin isn't perfect right now, look at it. But I feel a lot more confident just because I've been doing a better job at using products and taking care of myself and like listening to my skin when it reacts a certain way to something. So yeah, I'm really excited for my second box's launch. I'm gonna have the link down in the description. You can order it now. And don't forget, if you order within the first 48 hours, it does come with a free skincare bundle. And as always, I just want to give you guys a really big thank you for supporting me on these types of entrepreneurial endeavors that I do. It's a lot of fun to do stuff like this, but most importantly, I just love sharing these products with you guys. All right, I'm going to clean up my house a little bit. I have some laundry to put up, and then we are gonna go ahead and make some food.
Okay, today we are going to make kimbap, but it's not original kimbap, a little bit different, kind of fusion kimbap. Let's see. It's tuna kimbap. Have you ever tried tuna kimbap?
Yes. of
I like
course.
it.
Uh-huh.
Actually, usually they put the mayonnaise,
Right.
but I'm gonna skip it
Because.
for you because you don't like it.
Thank you for remembering.
I'm the chef today.
You chef every day. So what are you doing? Cutting?
Yeah, cutting the catnip. I'm gonna cut the kim because it's small kimbap.
Like 광양.
통영?
통영.
충무김밥? Right?
Yeah.
Mix it like this. Okay. Just mix it. You know that? Actually, I'm not sure it's good or not because it's the first time to make it. Yeah. 단무지
Yeah.
is the most important things when you make kimbap. Look at this. Looks like dog food, isn't it? Just a little bit. Try.
Okay.
Try a little bit. Not bad.
Not bad.
You know what I mean? 간장. Let's go, ready!
Oh yeah. Look at that beauty.
Okay, good job. It's tight. No, not yet. Don't be hurry,
You
okay?
shut me down. Oh. You
Don't be hurry, okay?
Now? Can I go?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, and I think use some oil.
Look at you. You're killing it.
Oh, it's giant.
Oh my god, it's perfect.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's big. Woohoo! Look at this. Okay, good. Oh yeah.
Are you? 맛있네. That's really good.
So yummy.
Let's try.
I like the jelly.